Are you feeling overwhelmed by all the hustle harder advice, flooding your feed everywhere you turn? It seems like someone is shouting that you need to post more, grind longer, and sacrifice sleep if you ever want to make money online. But what if I told you there's a different way, a smarter way, one that doesn't involve working 12-hour days, constantly creating content, or burning yourself out just to earn a few affiliate commissions? Here's the truth. In 2025, you no longer need to grind 24/7 to build a profitable affiliate income stream. Thanks to the rise of powerful AI tools, even the so-called lazy marketers, people who don't want to spend all day working, are quietly racking up commissions and building passive income businesses, all without the hustle and overwhelm. And in this video, I'm going to pull back the curtain and show you exactly how they're doing it. You're going to learn how to get started with minimal effort, how to use AI to create nearly all your content, and how to build a small but powerful system that makes money while you sleep. And the best part, I'm saving the most overlooked strategy, the one 90% of marketers are completely missing, for later in the video. So stick around, take some notes, and get ready to work smarter, not harder. Problem breakdown: why traditional affiliate marketing feels exhausting. Let's be real. Traditional affiliate marketing can feel like a full-time job, and the worst part, most people don't even get paid for all that effort. You're told to constantly post on social media, write long blog articles, create sales funnels, build email sequences, and somehow stay consistent across 10 different platforms. It sounds great in theory, but in practice, it's exhausting. Most people start strong, but after a few weeks they burn out. The content becomes a chore, the results are slow, and eventually they give up right before seeing any real traction. But 2025 is different. AI tools have completely flipped the script, making it easier and faster to automate the boring stuff, the writing, designing, and even parts of your strategy. Now, instead of trying to do everything, you can focus on a few smart, high-leverage moves that actually work. This is the new lazy, and it's a lot smarter than the old grind. The lazy way to start: pick one evergreen niche. One of the biggest mistakes beginners make is trying to do too much too soon. They jump from crypto to skincare to tech reviews in the same month, hoping one of them hits. But the lazy genius strategy: pick one evergreen niche and stick with it. Evergreen means it's always in demand. Things like personal finance, health and fitness, tech gadgets, or self-improvement. These are topics people will always be searching for. To make it even easier, use a tool like ChatGPT or Claude to brainstorm content ideas. Just type in your niche and ask for 30 content ideas. Then narrow it down. Choose 2 or 3 subtopics you enjoy and stick with them for the next 90 days. That consistency builds momentum. No more bouncing around. No more starting over. Just simple, focused action that compounds over time. Content creation without lifting a finger, almost. Now let's talk about content creation, the part that usually scares people away. You don't need to be a writer, designer, or video editor anymore. In fact, you barely need to create the content yourself. That's where AI steps in. Tools like Pictory and InVideo can turn blog posts or scripts into YouTube shorts with stock footage and voiceovers. You can also use free stock video to create Instagram Reels based on scripts you generate in ChatGPT. Jasper and Copy.ai are perfect for writing your captions, call to actions, and even full emails in minutes. With these tools, you can automate 80% of the content creation process. So while others are stuck editing for hours, you're publishing polished content and moving on to your next income-producing task. The hidden strategy: build a tiny but powerful email list. Here's the strategy most new affiliate marketers ignore, and it's one of the most powerful: build a tiny but targeted email list. Even if you don't have a big social following, even if you've never created a funnel in your life, you can start building your list today. All you need is a simple freebie, something your audience would find useful, like 5 mistakes new investors make, or top 10 tools every remote worker needs. With tools like System.io or MailerLite, you can create a landing page and connect it to an automated email sequence without writing a single line of code. Then use ChatGPT to write your welcome email, follow-ups, and soft pitches. Here's the magic: even with just 200 to 500 people on your list, you can generate consistent affiliate sales every single month. It's not about having a massive audience, it's about having the right people in your corner. Surprising insight: less is more in 2025. Now here's a truth that most content creators don't want to admit. In 2025, less is more. Gone are the days of posting 5 times a day on every platform just to stay relevant. Instead, it's about creating one high-quality piece of content and letting AI help you make the most of it. With the right insights, you can see what's working, double down on it, and stop wasting time on content that flops. Imagine this: you write one valuable blog post. Then you use AI to turn it into a YouTube short, an Instagram carousel, a tweet thread, an email newsletter, and even a lead magnet. One piece of content suddenly becomes 5 streams of traffic and income. This is how modern affiliate marketers are working smarter, not harder. And the best part? It takes way less time than trying to do it all manually. Your action plan in 30 seconds. Let's quickly recap your lazy but genius action plan for building a passive affiliate income in 2025. First, pick just one evergreen niche that you can stick with. Don't overthink it. Choose something people will always care about, like fitness, finance, tech, or personal development. Second, use AI tools to create at least 80% of your content. Let the technology do the heavy lifting, writing posts, designing graphics, scripting videos, and even suggesting SEO tweaks, so you can spend your time focusing on what really matters, connecting with your audience. Third, start building a small but powerful email list as soon as possible. Even if you only add a few people a week, that list will become your most valuable asset over time. A group of people who trust you, listen to your recommendations, and actually buy through your affiliate links. And finally, instead of posting non-stop and burning out, adopt the smarter approach: post less, but post with purpose. Use AI analytics to double down on what's working and ditch what's not. Quality always beats quantity, especially when you let data guide your strategy. Boom. That's it. Simple, doable, and perfect for anyone who's tired of the endless hustle culture. Remember, real success in 2025 isn't about grinding yourself into the ground anymore. It's not about sacrificing your peace of mind or giving up your weekends to work harder than everyone else. It's about being strategic. It's about working smarter, leveraging the incredible AI tools available to you, and letting technology handle the heavy lifting while you focus on building real, lasting passive income streams. Lazy isn't a weakness anymore. Lazy is the new smart. And you, my friend, are just getting started. If you found this video helpful, make sure you smash that like button, subscribe to Money Mindset, and drop a comment below telling me what niche you're thinking of starting with. I love hearing about your ideas, and who knows, your comment might even inspire someone else in this amazing community. Let's commit to building passive income the smart, and yes, lazy, way in 2025. You've got this. Let's go.